Hello everybody, this is Urjit and today I'll explain you about a very important topic of our environment, the precious source, water. Now, let's first of all understand what you mean by water. Water is an inorganic, transparent, tasteless, odorless, and nearly colorless chemical substance. Now, first, what is inorganic? Inorganic means that a substance which is not obtained from plant or animal. It's a chemical substance, just like all the acids and bases, and odorless, which has no smell. Okay, and it is the main constituent of earth's hydrosphere and the fluids of all known living organisms. It is the vital for all known forms of life, even though it provides no calories or organic nutrients. Vital means most necessary substance. Okay, this is the definition of water. If someone asks you what do you mean by water, you have to tell this. Okay, now let's begin. Let's come to our main topic, the top 10 interesting facts of water. Watch video till end. Let's begin. Our top 10 fact is there is the same amount of water on earth as there was when the earth was formed. This means at the time of early humans the water was in same amount. No changes was in the volume of water. Okay, and the water from your faucet. What do you mean by faucet? Let's see here. Faucet means a tap. Okay, remember it. It's very helpful for your grammar. Faucet means a tap. Let's go back. The water from a faucet could contain molecules that dinosaur drank. Means when the earth was formed and you are drinking water from here, from your tap, the water could contain the molecules of dinosaur. Okay, it's a little bit funny fact, but don't be worried. Let's begin. Our number 9 fact is water is composed of two elements, hydrogen and oxygen, in ratio 2:1. 2 hydrogen plus 1 oxygen is equals H2O. That's why we put 2 on the H. Okay, let's let's continue. Number 8, nearly 97% of the world's water is salty or otherwise undrinkable. Another 2% is locked in ice caps and glacier. That leaves just 1% for all humanity needs. All its agriculture, residential, manufacturing, community, and personal needs. Understanding only 1% is left for humans, all other 99% can't be helped for humans. So we have to save water. Number 7, water regulates the earth's temperature. It also regulates the temperature of human body, carries nutrients and oxygen to cells, fusion joints, protect organs and tissues, and remove wastes. This means that without water, the Earth's temperature will not be balanced. It's too high or too low. So it regulates the temperature also. Not only Earth is all, it also regulates the temperature of human body. There are other many ways of many helps of water also. It's help in nutrients, oxygen to cells, it fusion joints, it protect organs and tissues, and it also remove waste. Number 6, 75% of human brain is water and 75% of a living tree is water. See, all the things are made it from water. Even in human brain, 75% is only water, and a tree, all the parts is of 75% only. A person can live about a month without food, but not about a week without water. See, a person, if we can live with a month without food, but not, we can't live a week without water. Water is so essential for human body. Number 4, water is part of a deeply interconnected system. What we pour on the ground ends up in our water. and what we spew into the sky ends up in our water. Everything is water. If we are seeing on the ground, there is groundwater, you remember? And if we are seeing at the sky, there is water also. All the vapors are flying in the sky. Everywhere it is water. Number 3, the average total home water used for each person in US is about 50 gallons a day. Means every person in US uses 50 gallons a day. What is the meaning of gallon? Check here. Gallon. The US liquid frequent gallon, frequently called gallon, is legally defined as 231 cubic inches, which is exactly 3.78 liters. And 50 gallons is equal to 189.2 liters. And every Indian wastes up to 45 liters. Not only in US, every Indian also wastes 45 liter. See, but that is why we have to save water. It is very essential for our life. Number 2, the average cost for water supplied to a home in US is about $2 for 1000 gallons, which means 5 gallons for a penny. Penny means in US and Canada a coin worth 1/100th of a dollar, i.e. a cent is known as penny. Means penny is a synonym of cent, we can say. Okay, that is why they are saying that 5 gallons of a penny. Okay, 5 gallons has a cost for a penny, for a cent. Now it's time for number 1 fact. Let's see. 4, 3, 2, 1, and there we go. Water expands by 9% when it freezes. Frozen water, ice, is lighter than water. That is why ice floats in water. Understanding? Water expands 9% when it freezes. Means the water you have put on your tray while freezing it in the freezer. It expands 9%. And it is lighter also to comparing to liquid water. Understanding? Nice fact, no? Now, let me give you the summary of it. You can pause the video and remember these facts. These will help you. You can tell it to your friends. So please share it video and thank you for watching. If you like, please subscribe and share it to your friends. Thank you.